is Saturday, June 9th, 2018. Just left Menominee, Michigan. That's in the background there. Michi's working on getting the dinghy painter lengthened. Say hey, Michi. It's a gray day today. Got very light rain going right now. The winds are almost directly out of the direction we need to go. So we're going to motor across the bay today to Egg Harbor. There's the Menominee light down there. Marker for Menominee Shoal is up ahead. We're going to pass to the north of it. I think we could get by to the south. Looks like there's plenty of water, but not being familiar with the area. Better on the safe side since we're motoring anyway. It doesn't matter. So, not going to get any sailing in today, it looks like. Unless we wanted to beat to windward all day trying to get 13 miles over to Egg Harbor. We're copping out, taking the easy route. Right, hun?
Right.
Still on our way to Egg Harbor. There's Green Island down there, southeast of us. We're heading east-southeast. Chambers Island up to the northeast. Waves are abating a little bit, as you would expect as we cross the bay, since the winds are out of the northeast, east-northeast, somewhere in that range. No improvement in the weather. Hope they have something good to eat for lunch in Egg Harbor. Chambers Island up there. Strawberry Channel right off our port beam. And it's starting to rain again. There were a bunch of sailboats visible in Egg Harbor, and they've disappeared in the mist, or they got smart and went in, one or the other. Just outside the entrance to Egg Harbor. Last of the regatta is heading in, so we don't have to thread our way through the races. That's nice. Breakwater at Egg Harbor. Got a powerboat coming out, so I'm not going to be able to film very much of this because I don't have to get on the ball here. But here we are, Egg Harbor. It is 8:08 in the morning on Sunday, June 10th, 2018. Eagle Harbor shrinking behind us. Harbor back behind us. Now let's make our turn more southerly for Little Sturgeon Bay. Wisconsin shore. Beach at the helm. Say hey, Michi.
Hey, Michi.
Still on our way to Little Sturgeon Bay. There's the entrance to Sturgeon Bay right there. Sherwood Shoal out there. Started out with a reef in the main this morning because it's supposed to be 10 to 15 knot winds gusting to 20. And indeed we had some pretty brisk sailing starting out. Saw 8 knots on the log a couple of times. We're averaging over 6 knots. We're down now to under 4. The wind's died down and backed a little bit. Had been on a beam reach, now we're on a broad reach. And I'm tempted to add more sail, but we just got the updated weather forecast. They're now saying 15 to 20 knot winds gusting to 25. We're certainly not seeing that, but just as soon as I added sail, it'd pick up, and the gas is at elbows trying to get the sails back down again. Or shorten sail back in. And kind of a gray day again too, a little on the cool side. Got our rain gear on just to break the wind. Not that there's much of it now. It is Monday, June 11th, 2018. We're in Little Sturgeon Bay at the Wave Point Marina. Anyway, we're headed out today, probably within the next hour or so, up to Sturgeon Bay. Winds are out of the east today. Very little opportunity to sail, so it looks like we're going to motor all the way up there. Got a couple of bridges to go through before we get to the marina where we have reservations. Alright, 9:30 on June 11th, 2018. Just left the dock at Wave Point Marina. Got out of there without too much fuss. Even though we had to make a left turn out of our slip into the fairway with the wind blowing the bow down, but we did it in one maneuver, so didn't have to do a 270 back to the building, which is always nice. Right, hon? Okay, one more little snippet. There's Snake Island up ahead here. I forget what the name of this point is. I think it's Riley's Point. It's right at the mouth of Little Sturgeon Bay on our way to Sturgeon Bay. And one drawback to our strategy of sailing back and forth across the bay to our various destinations is you only get a snapshot of the shoreline. And you get to see a lot more of it this way, obviously. So, very pretty. Probably invisible on this thing, but I never know if it's going to pick up. There's the Sherwood Point Lighthouse over there. We're just in the entrance to Sturgeon Bay. Sailing in Sturgeon Bay. Waiting at the Michigan Street Bridge, Sturgeon Bay. Should open here in about 2 minutes. So our marina is right on the other side. We're waiting between the Michigan Street Bridge, which we already transitioned, and the Maple, Oregon Bridge. In front of Centerpoint Yacht Services here. So it is the evening of June 12th, 2018, the eve of our last sailing day of our vacation, spring vacation 2018. We're in Centerpoint Marina, Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Departing Centerpoint Marina, June 13th. Wednesday, June 13th, 2018. Center Point Marina and Sturgeon Bay. Up to 6:49 in the morning. Got off the dock a little bit early this morning. Got a long haul down the Michigan, the western Lake Michigan shoreline today, so every minute we can get we'll take. Winds are supposed to be favorable. We shall see. There's the Bayview Bridge ahead. Just heard the horn go off. And the Sturgeon Bay Ship Canal following that. Already made our call to the bridge tender. And up she goes. The very eastern reaches of Sturgeon Bay and the ship canal directly ahead, Lake Michigan beyond. Say hey, Michi.
Hey, Michi.
Just outside of the Sturgeon Bay Ship Canal, got some sail on her. Moving right along. Winds are a little fickle right now. Head sail fills, then it collapses because the wind veers to stern, directly astern. To get a preventer set up on the main just to be on the safe side. So this guy's kind of fussy. Wednesday, June 13th, 2018. Our last day on the water for our spring 2018 vacation. Left Sturgeon Bay this morning about 6:40, I believe. And the black box tells us we're going to be in Manitowoc about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Roughly halfway there. Got a reef in the main, and shortened head sail. Winter forecast a gust to 20 knots today. I knew when I put on all the sail this morning that I was going to regret it. So far on this trip, the wind forecast has been pretty conservative, and steady state winds never even get up to where the gusts were predicted, or that's about where they got up to anyway. So gusts never seem to pan out, but today's the exception. We've seen apparent wind speeds of up to 25 knots. So anyway, not too far offshore, but nonetheless there's still enough fetch to give us some pretty good rollers here. It's not too bad right now, but got the old Dutch roll action going here. Hard to hold the heading. Makes steering a little bit challenging. Right, Beachy? Wow. It is pushing us along. I've seen pretty steadily well over 6 knots, sometimes in excess of 7, even 8 knots, which is pretty good for this heavy old cruising keel boat. I'd take 6 any day, anything else is gravy. So. Guy followed us out, another sailboat followed us out of the ship channel this morning, and I think it's the only boat we've ever outrun. We lost him on the horizon about an hour and a half ago. He's headed the same direction as us. Anyway, gorgeous day. Just challenging to maintain a heading with the quartering seas the way they are. Speaking of which, I imagine Michelle would rather I got back to the wheel. She didn't like steering when it's challenging like this. To see, but there's the Badger out there just off the port bow. Take it? Sure.
Hello, I finally get to show you.
Yeah, good luck. You can't see anything. almost officially over. Get the boat on the dock this afternoon, spend the night on it tonight. Spend the next couple of days getting it ready to haul out until we return in September. So we got that to look forward to, and it won't be nearly as long as waiting from September to May of this year to go sailing. Nonetheless, it's hard to believe it's already over.